Musamseleku invites his wives Makhumalo, Mangwabe and Mayeni to see Macele's new house, but he didn't tell them that they are going to Macele's new house. It's like a surprise to them. You know that Macele and Musamseleku want to have show off, like maybe Macele visited Mangwabe's new house or Makhumalo's new house. Why he want to surprise them with another wife's house? Because Macele's new house, maybe he want them to see that he can do better for Macele, what I saw. Because Macele's house is more beautiful than Mangwabe and Mayeni, what I saw. And Macele's house is bigger than all those houses for other wives. You know that Musamseleku and Macele, when they are planning their things, they are planning, I don't understand them. Even Mayeni congratulates Macele, Mayeni and Mangwabe. Makhumalo didn't congratulate Macele. Yes, Makhumalo did the good thing because it's like a surprise. Why Musamseleku want to surprise them? You understand? I don't understand. Especially Makhumalo. She can't be happy, guys. Makhumalo. Musamseleku didn't contribute even a cent at Makhumalo's house, and he is expecting that Makhumalo congratulate Macele. I don't think it's good, guys, what I saw to Musamseleku, what he did, that he want to suppress them, that it's Macele's house, to invite them to eat what? You understand? It's like Macele visited them. Macele didn't visit even Mayeni or Mangwabe. We know that. Why Musamseleku he want to do those things? You know that the way Musamseleku he is treating his wives is the one maybe who can separate those wives. They are not getting along now, because what I saw, Macele's house, guys, is bigger, beautiful. Even those furnitures are more expensive than Mayeni's furniture. Even Mangwabe's furniture, you can look it. To Makhumalo, we don't want to say anything, because to Mangwabe and Mayeni is better because it's the one who buy those houses. To Makhumalo, even a cent. Imagine, guys, how Makhumalo she feels. Guys. We don't want to lie. It's hurt when it comes to Makhumalo. It's not fair. You understand? Because your husband invites you and you don't know that he is invites you to see another woman's house, because he want to, you know, that Musamseleku to maybe to feel that, especially Makhumalo, to feel the pain, what I saw. And it's not good what he did. And he didn't contribute even a cent to Makhumalo's house. Mangwabe's house, Mayeni's house is not bigger than Macele's house, what I saw. Even that furniture, guys, Macele's furniture, everything. That house was more beautiful, guys. We don't want to lie. We are not jealous of Macele. But the way he did, like it's a surprise. Maybe he knows that when he said, I want to invite you at Macele's house, those wives, they didn't come at all. They didn't want to come because there is nothing they can do with Macele. You understand? So I don't understand Musamseleku what he is doing. When they are not getting along with Macele, why he invite them to Macele's new house? To do what? To do what, guys? Imagine. Because he want them to show that he can do better for Macele more than them. What I saw, he can do better for Macele more than them. That house, guys, was more beautiful, and we have that house have got a space. Those houses, we saw it on television, on movies. Those houses in movies. That house, guys, is very expensive. We don't want to lie. Those designs, you understand, those designs are very, very, even the furniture, you look at those coaches, everything was very expensive. It looks like maybe you invite other wives to Macele's house. Macele have to celebrate her house alone with her husband. Why they can't celebrate their house alone to leave other women? You understand? Because sometimes I don't understand, guys. Some Seleku and Macele, when they are sleeping, those people, guys, they are planning about other wives. They want those wives to feel pain. It's not about he want to invite them or what. He want them to show them that he can do better for Macele. What I saw, he can do better for Macele than other wives. Because, guys, you can't. I don't understand. It's like a surprise. Surprise for what? Because they have got nothing to do with that house.